हेलो एवरी प्रूडेंट पर्सन, वेलकम माय चैनल कानूनी ज्ञान मंथन। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर गोपाल उपाध्याय। वी डिस्कस लेबर लॉज, इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक इंडस्ट्री related to under Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Define industry, explain whether the following are covered in the definition: hospital, second educational institution. Give reason for your answer. Industry. This important topic divide six topic synopsis. First, introduction of industries, meaning and definition of industry, essential elements of industry, triple test related to industry, and is covered hospital and educational institutions. So we discuss introduction of industry. An industry is a group of manufacturers or businesses that produce a particular kinds of goods or service. Industry comes for the Latin word industria, which means hard work. In other words, industry, meaning of industry means economic activity concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufactures of goods, factories. Meaning and definitions of industry. Definition of industry: Industrial Dispute Act 1947, Section 2J. Section 2J say that industry as any business, trade, undertaking, manufacture or calling of employers, and includes any calling, service, employment, handicraft or industrial occupation or occasion workman. This definition essential elements related to industries in point of employer, business, undertaking, trade, manufactures. Then workman, service, employment, handicraft, industrial occupation, and occasion also include industries. Triple test related to industry in the Supreme Court case of Bangalore Water Supply versus A. Rajappa, All India Reporter, 1978, Supreme Court, Justice Krishna Iyer said a very comprehensive interpretation of the industry, and in his judgment stated that completion of triple test is necessary for being an industry. First, systematic activities between employer and employee. Systematic activities between employer and employee. An item, for example, goods, must be produced or distributed in collaboration with the employer and employee. Third point, if any service is organized for the satisfaction of human need, satisfaction of human needs and desires, then such an enterprise will be called an industry. Triple test. Question, is hospital covered definition of industries? Yes. In the case of Bangalore water supply versus A. Rajappa, justice according to Justice Krishna Iyer decision, triple test, hospital is also included industries. Related case law in this problem, Hospital Mazdoor Sabha versus State of Bombay, All India Reporter 1960 Supreme Court, and Lalin Hari Ayurvedic of Pharmacy versus Union of Workmen AIR 1960 Supreme Court. Above both cases, Supreme Court held that hospital is also covered industry because hospital fulfill triple test Bangalore water supply versus A. Rajappa case law. Each educational institution include industries. In the case of Bangalore water supply versus A. Rajappa, most important case for a definition of industries, according Justice Krishna Iyer decision, triple test, educational institution is also included industries. In this problem, Delhi University versus Ramnath held that Supreme Court held that educational institution not only industries, but mother of industries. Industry, conclusion of industry. The Parliament passed the Industry Disputes Amendment Act 1982 to end the effect of Bangalore water supply versus A. Rajappa case in 1982 and excludes hospital, educational institutions, agricultural works, khadi, village, industries, and any domestic service from the definition of industry. But Supreme Court not overruled our decision Bangalore water supply case. Thanks for watching. Like and comments. Do not forget, click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.